Welcome to Questions for the Room, and this is a Pick One, Tick One Relaxation, Mood, and Ambiance edition. You'll be given two options to choose from and 10 seconds to make your choice. Now, sometimes both options are good ones, but you have to pick one and tick one. Are you ready? Let's begin. Fireplace or fire pit? Lamplight or sunlight? Piano or saxophone? Ocean views or mountain views? Two love seats or one section? Dinner on a train or dinner on a yacht? Morning cup of coffee or an evening glass of wine? Hammock or porch swing? The sound of raindrops or the sound of a crackling fire? Aquarium or fountain? Rural mansion or downtown high-rise? Carpet or hardwood floors? Scented candles or oil diffusers? Golden hour or blue hour? Thanks for watching this edition of Pick One Tick One with questions for the room. Be sure to subscribe and check back for more videos that ask you to make the choice.